As the title says, we'll be fitting a strut brace to back the V8. This is the ones you can find off eBay, link in the description below. Basically, this one here does fit the V8 model. The ultra racing ones only fit the straight 6 models, the M51 sorry. So what I'm going to do is maybe put it on the floor. I'm going to undo the top mount nuts, 3 on each side on the E34. Then you go to T-spot, 1, 2, 3. That's 3, which is 6. I'm going to get your strut brace. As you can see, it fits, and these ones are shaped to fit around the turret.
Sorry to be a pain. Pardon me again, please.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Alright.
It's a project.
Yeah, a bit of a project, yeah.
Nice car though.
Thank you.
Sorry, yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, if you're lucky enough to have a manual, you have to move the reservoir down. That'll do. So as you can see, it's below there now, and like it nuts. Right, look old. Wouldn't it be nice if we just go 1, 2, 3, shiny nuts. Let's see it on camera if I look all the way up again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Shiny nuts. So, you knew shiny nuts. Now, I'll say this on every video, but I'm messing about with this. Don't over tighten these. Don't over tighten them, and don't use a ratchet. I'm using a ratchet because it's the only thing I've got here that can do it, and I want it to fit into there. Also torque up to spec as well. I'm going to do that next time I come because I forgot the torque wrench. I've got the strut brace fitted. I'll leave a link to a sell on eBay below. I've had a few of these and I quite like them because they do fit the V8 model, the M60 model, and they do fit the M50s and M5s and M30s, so we fit everything. But I'd like to say we're going to be doing more stuff to this car over the coming months and more to TBL. So if you do like this content, please like and subscribe, like and subscribe. Get in the comment section below and tell us what you think. Until next time, bye bye. That's it.